Today we're at Lake Harmony unboxing the cabin in the woods. I will rate the location as 4-star as it's only 2 hours driving away from the central Philly. And it's only 20 minutes away from the Pocono Mountain with the Great Wolf and Kalahari water parks nearby. Amenity-wise, I will rate it 5-star as the entire house is fully renovated with a lot of safe and smart features. This 2-story townhouse has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, which accommodate 10 people. Each bedroom has a TV and the thermostat to control the temperature individually. This bedroom has a bunker bed, sofa bed, and several toys and board games for the kids to enjoy. Both bathrooms are renovated with modern design and motion sensors. Sufficient supplies and personal care is provided as well. I like this mattress from the master's bedroom as it's nice and firm and can ease my lower back problem. The 5-star hospitality here is truly making a huge difference to ensure that you have a really enjoyable stay. There is a welcome package located in the kitchen, which can provide a lot of information about this place, the house, including the Wi-Fi and TV and other information, and also the local attractions. I like the pictures and information about the local restaurant, where to eat and where to drink. My kid enjoys the complimentary snacks and chocolate, and obviously I enjoy the complimentary wine. Because Lake Harmony is a popular place for skiing, canoeing, and other outdoor activities, there is also a nice reminder at the door which can help to best prepare you ahead of the adventure before you go. So I highly recommend this place for your vacations and weekend getaway. I really enjoy the natural light as well as the interior lighting system of this place. Because the master bedroom is facing the lake directly, so in the morning time, the reflection of the sunshine is gonna wake me naturally. In addition, the renovation as well as the interior design really adds sufficient lighting towards this place. And the new system enables the choices of the light intensity. What's more, it adds on the additional feature of the remote access to turn on or off the light, so it can be eco-friendly and save energy as well. On the first floor, because of the glass door and a lot of big windows, it's also bright and luminous. During the nighttime, the house is fully geared up. A bunch of lamps and light night can add on the safety feature and also be eco-friendly. As I mentioned before, the bathroom is equipped with a motion sensor, so it helps the kids for her bowel break at night. In here, I also enjoy the kitchen and the living room. It's fully equipped with the kitchenware, coffee machine, and the utensils. Those who love cooking or baking can really enjoy this place. The teapot here is in the retro style, which is my cup of tea. Here are a bunch of spices to add on to the flavor you like. The utensils and the electronic range is pretty much new. And I also like the built-in microwave oven here as well. The refrigerator here is smart and playful. You can visualize the interior contents from outside and also set up an expiration date from the control panel here. Here is some more of the additional cookware, utensils, and the glassware, tools, spatula, etc. Because I cook a lot, so I use the dishwasher twice throughout my stay. The washer and dryer is in good brand and it's convenient and can save the total amount of clothes you need to pack. We really enjoy our stay here. We can actually see through the glass door the beautiful scenery and also enjoy the moving time as we want. There is a fireplace to be used and obviously there is a carbon monoxide monitor for the safety feature as well. And there are blankets to keep you comfy and warm, so very sweet considerations from the host. Because this cabin is located right by the lakeside, so you can really enjoy the natural beauty either from the balcony of the second floor or just walk out of the patio on the first floor. Right now, it's November, so not many tourists are here, but it's actually perfect for us. We enjoy the nice weather as well as our little privacy here. We can walk down to the lake through the little trail. So what impressed me in a good way is that the mattress here is really firm. This is actually my personal favorite, to have a firm mattress. But somehow the pillow is not firm at all, which strike me as
So I wish this could be longer so that I can put more of the glassware without worrying about it falling down.
And my third suggestion is to consider placing a stepping stool for the younger kids. And after use that, the stool can be easily placed or stored underneath the cabinet, so it wouldn't take much of the space. I know the host already put a baby crib and as well as a baby feeding chair on the first floor, so I know they're considering the little ones too. My last suggestion here is to maybe put a mirror as well as a vanity mirror into the bedroom, because I would like to do the makeup and see myself a lot through the mirrors. So maybe something to think about is those kind of makeup mirror that you can find in the hotel bathroom, or something like the big mirror that you can put on the back of your door. And also, since we cook a lot, we realize that the kitchen rugs are needed to protect the floor from grease and water. Hope my review is useful to you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.